Do you believe that, right in your own kitchen lies an ancient beauty secret that has helped Indian women stay radiant for centuries? It's not some fancy cosmetic or high-end cream. Just 5 simple seeds and spices you can easily find in your spice jars every day. It may sound simple, but these natural ingredients can actually rejuvenate your skin, making it brighter, smoother, and visibly reducing wrinkles after just a few uses. Everything is completely natural, with no chemicals or irritants, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive ones. And today, LiveWell Everyday is excited to reveal to you an ancient Indian skin reviving mask recipe a simple yet effective beauty secret that helps restore your natural glow without spending a dime on expensive products. This humble formula deeply cleanses, reduces acne, fades wrinkles, and provides amazing hydration for the skin. Let's get started, my friends. Dear friends, to create this rejuvenating mask, the first ingredient you'll need is *1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder. At first glance, fennel might seem like an ordinary kitchen herb, but when you look closer, you'll find it's packed with precious nutrients that nourish the skin. From natural essential oils to powerful antioxidants, fennel doesn't just cleanse, it nourishes, regenerates, and brightens the skin safely and effectively. Fennel contains a high concentration of essential oils, especially 2 key compounds, thymol and *anethol. Thymol is a potent antibacterial and antifungal agent, once used in ancient Indian and Egyptian medicine to purify the skin, fight inflammation, and prevent acne. It inhibits acne-causing bacteria like Propionibacterium acnes and reduces swelling around pores. When absorbed gently through the skin, it deeply cleanses without leaving your face dry or tight, unlike harsh chemical exfoliants. Meanwhile, anethol soothes irritation and strengthens the skin barrier. It has calming, antioxidant, and tissue-repairing properties. In a mask, anethol helps ease redness, dryness, or dullness while boosting blood circulation for a naturally healthy, glowing look. Beyond these 2 key compounds, fennel also provides vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, calcium, and flavonoids essential nutrients that neutralize free radicals, the main culprits behind skin aging, wrinkles, and sagging. When applied as a mask, these nutrients penetrate gently into the epidermis, stimulate collagen production, enhance elasticity, and slow down the natural aging process. And there's more, fennel's soft, fresh aroma offers a touch of aromatherapy. Its essential oil helps reduce stress, calm the nervous system, support better sleep, and balance breathing. So when you apply this fennel mask, both your body and mind relax, allowing your skin to absorb nutrients better and rejuvenate faster. The second ingredient is a half teaspoon of roasted black sesame powder. Finely ground. Black sesame seeds are rich in vitamin E, calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, and unsaturated fatty acids. Together, these nutrients create a natural, protective shield for the skin, fighting oxidation, preventing premature aging, and restoring damaged cells. Vitamin E** in black sesame acts like a true warrior, protecting skin cells from free radicals, the main culprits behind dark, wrinkled, and rough skin. When applied topically, vitamin E helps maintain natural moisture, boosts elasticity, and softens the skin's surface. Beyond vitamin E, black sesame also contains sesamin and sesamolin 2 rare compounds found only in the sesame family. Modern research shows that sesamin can inhibit the enzyme responsible for collagen breakdown, helping the skin stay firm, smooth, and visibly reduce wrinkles over time. Meanwhile, sesamolin soothes dry or inflamed areas and supports the regeneration of skin cells damaged by sunlight or harsh cosmetics. What's special is that roasted black sesame powder provides excellent hydration without clogging pores. When the seeds are roasted, their lipids are activated, making them easier for the skin to absorb. In addition, black sesame is a great source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids healthy fats that strengthen the skin's protective barrier, reduce sensitivity, and keep the complexion resilient. Those with dry, flaky, or irritated skin will quickly notice smoother, more supple skin after just a few uses. Black sesame also helps even out skin tone and fade dark spots. When ground finely, its minerals easily penetrate the epidermis, helping regulate melanin production the main factor behind pigmentation and freckles. The next ingredient is cinnamon powder, about 1/6 teaspoon. Cinnamon contains powerful natural compounds like cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, and coumarin, all known for their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and circulation-boosting properties. Used in small amounts, these actives create a gentle warming energy flow, expanding tiny capillaries beneath the skin and enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to each cell. Thanks to this mechanism, the skin becomes rosier, firmer, and more radiant after applying a mask containing cinnamon powder. In addition, cinnamaldehyde also helps stimulate the production of collagen and elastin two key structural proteins that keep the skin firm and elastic. As we age, collagen levels naturally decline, causing sagging skin and the appearance of wrinkles. Adding a small amount of cinnamon powder to your mask helps accelerate cell renewal, awakening tired skin and leaving it stronger, smoother, and more youthful after each use. But that's not all. Cinnamon also acts as a natural cleanser. Modern studies show that cinnamon extract can inhibit acne-causing bacteria and skin fungi, helping to cleanse pores and reduce blackheads and whiteheads. When applied topically, cinnamon powder gently exfoliates dead cells, unclogs the skin surface, and prevents excess oil buildup, making it especially beneficial for oily or combination skin. The fourth ingredient in this recipe is ginger Use 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice. Ginger contains over 400 bioactive compounds, with the most notable being gingerol, shogal, and zingerone a powerful trio of protectors for the skin. Gingerol has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties while also boosting blood circulation beneath the skin. This helps nourish skin cells more efficiently, allowing oxygen to reach even the weaker areas, giving the complexion a natural, healthy glow. Shogal is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, one of the main causes of skin aging, while stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, keeping the skin firm and smooth. Meanwhile, zingerone acts like a mild natural sunscreen, protecting the skin from UV rays and environmental pollution. Ginger doesn't just work on the surface. It stimulates new cell regeneration in the deeper dermal layers. With consistent use, the skin becomes thicker, stronger, and more resilient, visibly reducing sagging and fine lines. Ginger also helps balance skin pigmentation, gradually fading dark spots, freckles, and discoloration, brightening the skin tone without the harsh effects of chemical whitening agents. Another wonderful quality of ginger is its detoxifying and oil balancing ability. Many people assume that because ginger is warm, it might dry the skin, but in the right amount and combination, it actually helps regulate sebum production, cleansing deeply while maintaining natural moisture. This makes it especially beneficial for oily, acne-prone, or dull skin caused by clogged pores. Beyond its physical benefits, the aromatic warmth of ginger also offers a mental boost. When you apply a mask containing ginger, its soothing warmth and rich, earthy scent help relax the nerves, ease stress, and release fatigue. When the mind is calm, the skin breathes better, absorbs nutrients more efficiently, and the overall skincare results become even more radiant. The final ingredient is unsweetened yogurt the essential base that helps all the nutrients in this recipe penetrate deeply and work at their best. Yogurt contains natural lactic acid, a gentle type of AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, that helps remove dead skin cells, soften the skin, and tighten pores. This allows the skin to absorb nutrients more effectively without causing dryness or irritation. In addition, yogurt is rich in protein, zinc, calcium, and B vitamins, all of which help repair damaged skin cells, balance oil production, and even out skin tone. Especially valuable are the probiotic cultures found in yogurt. They help maintain a healthy skin microbiome, prevent acne, and strengthen the skin's natural defense barrier, something few other natural ingredients can do. When all these ingredients are combined, they create a powerful synergistic effect cleansing, nourishing, and naturally rejuvenating the skin all at once. Each ingredient plays its own role, but when blended together, they complement one another perfectly, forming a complete system that makes your skin stronger and brighter from within. Fennel powder is the gentle cleanser, helping to reduce inflammation, fight bacteria, and clear clogged pores so your skin can breathe and absorb nutrients better. Black sesame powder is the nourisher and restorer, delivering vitamin E, iron, and sesame to rebuild the skin's moisture barrier, smooth fine lines, and enhance elasticity. Cinnamon and ginger serve as the energy boosters, stimulating blood circulation and delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, leaving your complexion rosy and glowing each day. When all these ingredients are mixed with unsweetened yogurt, the mask becomes silky smooth and easily absorbed. Yogurt gently exfoliates dead cells, brightening and evening the skin tone naturally. If you're not allergic to honey, you can add a few drops of pure honey This will further enhance the mask's moisturizing and healing power. Honey not only provides deep hydration but also soothes and protects the skin from bacteria, pollution, and dryness. The combination of lactic acid in yogurt and the natural enzymes in honey forms a light, nourishing layer that awakens the skin, leaving it soft, plump, and radiant after just a few uses. How to use It's very simple, my friends. Start by gathering these familiar ingredients from your kitchen: fennel powder, roasted black sesame powder, a bit of cinnamon powder, some freshly grated ginger, unsweetened yogurt, and pure honey. Place all the ingredients in a small bowl and mix until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Before applying, wash your face with warm water to open up the pores and help the skin absorb nutrients better. Then gently spread the mixture evenly over your face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Relax for about 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients sink in. Then rinse off with cool water to tighten pores and leave the skin refreshed and smooth. After drying your face, you can apply a thin layer of moisturizer or coconut oil to lock in hydration and give your skin a soft, dewy finish. If you keep applying this mask 2 to 3 times per week, you'll soon notice your skin becoming visibly brighter, smoother, firmer, and full of life. This is not just a beauty treatment, it's also a moment of calm and self-care, allowing both body and mind to relax and recharge after a long day. Although this recipe is very gentle, it's still important to take a few precautions to keep your skin safe and achieve the best results. If your skin is broken, inflamed, or experiencing redness and irritation, avoid applying the mask immediately. Wait until your skin has healed, or do a small patch test on the inside of your wrist for about **10 minutes to check your skin's reaction. If everything feels normal, you can safely use it on your entire face. For those with *thin or dry skin, reduce the amount of cinnamon and ginger to make the formula milder. And add a bit more yogurt or honey for extra moisture. Pregnant or breastfeeding women can still use this mask, but it's best to dilute the ingredients slightly so the skin feels lighter and more comfortable. When applying the mask, don't leave it on for too long, as yogurt contains mild acids that may cause dryness if left for an extended period. After rinsing, let your skin rest for a few minutes before applying moisturizer or coconut oil to lock in hydration. Most importantly, avoid direct sunlight for *1 to 2 hours after use. And remember to apply sunscreen the next morning to protect your skin effectively. This is a natural skincare recipe, so patience and consistency are key. Don't rush. After a short period of regular use, you'll notice your skin gradually becoming brighter, softer, more even-toned, and most importantly, healthier from within not thin, fragile, or dependent on cosmetics. Alongside using the mask regularly, it's equally important to care for your body from the inside, because healthy, radiant skin always reflects the body's overall well-being. First, try to avoid habits that dull your complexion and accelerate aging. Don't consume too much salty food, fried dishes, sugary drinks, or strong coffee. Avoid staying up late, as it dehydrates the body and reduces blood circulation under the skin, making it dry and tired looking. Smoking and frequent alcohol use also break down collagen and reduce skin elasticity. On the other hand, to boost the mask's effects and nourish your skin from within, include these healthy habits. Drink warm water with honey and a few slices of ginger in the morning. It helps detoxify the liver, stimulate blood flow, and brighten your skin. Have carrot juice, pomegranate juice, or chamomile tea daily to supply antioxidants that brighten and calm the skin. Eat nuts and seeds such as walnuts, almonds, roasted black sesame, and chia seeds, rich in omega-3, vitamin E and zinc, essential for plump, glowing skin. Try to drink at least *2 liters of water per day Water is nature's simplest cosmetic, keeping your skin hydrated and smooth. When you combine external care with this natural mask and internal nourishment through a balanced diet, you'll see visible changes in just a few weeks. Your skin will become brighter, more even, softer, and full of vitality. May you always have radiant skin, a peaceful mind, and a heart full of love every single day. If you found this recipe helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to live well every day. So together, we can spread a lifestyle of natural beauty, wellness, and positive energy. See you again in the next video. Cherry Blossom.